Motorcycle Christmas. Well, Christmas is not the same as it was back on the East Coast. Here it is a couple of days before Christmas in San Diego, California, and the temperature is in the high 70s in the city of San Diego. So, hey, this is great, ideal riding weather, and there are a hell of a lot of motorcycles here. Just recently, we had one of our last bike nights of the year, and here's some video of that, and it was kind of a holiday celebration as well. So enjoy a motorcycle Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Be sure to visit our very popular motorcycle blog. It's San Diego Custom Motorcycles.info. And when you're there, mark it as one of your favorites. Also, be sure to get a subscription to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hey, thanks for watching.